you whisper something happy in my ear.
Taking a little break before I even get started. Woo. Got hope. Yes, I said got hope. You wondering why I got my mouth? It's not snuff. Got hope to some barbecue sunflower seeds. And having a little moment here. Actually, I just got out here because I don't come out here until the evening. Early morning in the evening. And Malcolm's been out here all day. He had to go run an errand. So I'm using my time constructively. Eating sunflower seeds. Chilling. In the back of my car. I hope the crickets are louder than the music because I don't want to get copyright dinged. But anyway, he just called me and said he'll be back in a few seconds. This location right here, which is conveniently under a shade tree, is the only location on our piece of property that I have any reception. So, if I move anywhere else, I would not be able to get his call. All right, I'm gonna stop now because I know this is distracting. Me sitting here eating these seeds. I don't even know what it's doing for you audibly. Because I'm not gonna stop eating them because they're delicious and I love them. And if you love sunflower seeds, leave a comment below and tell me if you like the plain ones or if you like the flavored ones. If you do like the flavored ones, what's your favorite? I like the ranch too, but barbecue is my favorite. Ooh, I had some honey mustard ones one time. Those were pretty good. Yeah. So when shopping for a tractor, take your time. Check out several different options, different brands. Think about new versus used. You may find some great deals used on Craigslist and at auctions, but you also want to take into consideration whether or not any repairs are going to be covered. So you have to just, weigh your pros and cons. It depends on what your budget looking like. This one right here is by Mahindra. It's $36,000 roughly. It's diesel. You get a 7-year limited powertrain warranty. So this is one option. What's the horsepower on this? What's the horsepower on this? Oh, here we go. So your horsepower on this is 55. Front loader. And keep in mind with tractors, you're not gonna look at, it doesn't have miles on it per se. What it has are hours. And so you want to get as few hours as possible.
That's 68. This is a 84, say 7 foot. This is 7 foot. 84 inches, 7 feet, right?
Mm-hmm.
That's the double wide. That's
Say it again.
It's a box blade. How you make a driveway. 1,200 hours rated tractors, 35 PTO horsepower.
So if you have your own tractor for $1,200, you can make your own driveway.
Make your own driveway with a box blade. It scrapes everything up. You can turn these around.
Will you be able to do an access road?
Yes. Pull this out.
And then what? Have somebody bring you some gravel?
Yeah. What you do is you smooth the land out like this. You dig it up. You turn the spikes around. And you dig it up, right? And you get all the dirt. And what it does is, you take the spikes out and then you just level it and it'll smooth it out. Okay. That's a rotary tiller.
This one look different.
Brand new. That's a brand new one. It's a 72 incher.
Mm-hmm.
72 inch. So that's a 6'1", 1800. And that's gonna till up your land. That's gonna cultivate. That's gonna, if we come, that's a natural lift off right here.
Mm-hmm.
So we come in where the pole is, a small little pole right here. That's where your electrical is gonna go. Over here.
Need some shade.
Right.
Okay.
The electrical pole is gonna go where that pole is at.
Mm-hmm.
We're gonna bring another pole across the street. It's gonna be a transformer. Right. We're gonna put a electrical panel. Right.
Mm-hmm.
In a little bit. Right. So then the well's gonna go on the opposite side. The road's gonna come through here. Look at that. Pretty cool. Look at that. Spitting out water and all kind of sludge, and that's pretty dope. This is drilling down. Going down deeper now. Okay, so he goes, takes it off, and he loads another drilling tube, another piece of length onto the left, and he screws it in. I'm like a rookie, man. This is fascinating to me. Sludge that come out.